Hi guys. Sorry to interrupt, but I put a notice in this video. So the notice is I'll be doing CapCut voices like I always do, and some sound effects in CapCut. So that means you have to go to my channel on Saturday because I was bored and have nothing to do. Thanks.
All day my daughters always fight, and now hear what they are doing. See, always fight at each other. I'll find a way to make them stop fighting, but how? I know. Girls, it's time to clean. No time for fighting. I'll turn on the vacuum if you don't come.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay, Mom, geez. Time to closet my book.
Okay, Mom. Evan, I'm texting. Time to shut my tablet.
Your tablet has shut down.
Great. I'm vacuuming, and my mom relaxing, and my sisters moping. My sister moping. What should I do with her? I know, time to turn off the vacuum. Hey, Kale here.
What? But, my mop. Mom, how I get this?
Go and vacuum. Let your sister mop, 'cause you need a break from mopping. My daughter, is she okay? I have to go. No, Star. Don't worry, I'll call the doctor. State baby. Hello, is this the doctor? My daughter is on the floor and said that she jumped and slipped on the bed. You're bringing the Albines. Okay, bye. I hope she's okay. I'll send Star to the doctor, but you two are grounded. So I'll put Luke's.
Al, great.
So mucho for texting.
Your daughter will stay in 89 days.